Presenting the 2007 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with an MP3 player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.